My name is Grahama Blewitta. I was the former Deputy Chief Prosecutor at the Yugoslav War Crimes Tribunal, the ICTY. I joined there in 1994. I was the first person in the prosecutor's office. I set up its operations, and after the arrival of the first prosecutor, Richard Goldstone from South Africa, the tribunal became quite operational. We were carrying out investigations of crimes committed in the former Yugoslavia, in particular throughout Bosnia and Herzegovina. And when the word came through via the media that there was something horrendous happening in Srebrenici in July 1995, we immediately set up an investigation team, putting some of our best investigators on that team. And for the next several years, that team was very active in bringing to justice the perpetrators of the genocide, including Karadzic and Mladic, and various generals throughout the Bosnian Serb army. And I'm quite pleased to say that that particular investigation was quite successful. It led to the prosecution of over 20 senior Bosnian Serbs for their role in the genocide, and convictions for the charge of genocide. They were the first to occur in the tribunal since the Nuremberg Tribunal at the end of the Second World War. So it's a privilege to be here today to share the memories and to encourage knowledge to be spread about what happened in Srebrenica, and so that in future anyone involved in the commission of genocide or crimes against humanity, they should know that they can be brought to justice, and if there's a will to do so, they will be brought to justice.